Welcome to the Bootstrap course, and in this movie we are going to talk about the small devices and the tablets. Now, of course, the breaking point is 768 at the lower end and the highest end is going to be around 992 pixels. Now, make sure that you understand that the small device tablets or such kind of pixels is now actually kind of a standard because see the size of the iPhone 6, and if you want your website or web page to look good on iPhone 6 Plus, then you need to follow different conventions, and this is going to really getting pain for the web developers because size of the what we call in the early days as smartphones are now becoming a size of the tablets. Anyways, now let's move on to the code and see that this is being done really simply with the help of few lines of codes. Of course, our body, the head part is going to remain the same all the time because we are importing all of our things from the CDN, that is Content Delivery Network. Every time the things are going to change is mainly in the body, and notice that we are following the strict convention here. That is, the class is container, and inside that there is a class of rows, and inside that we are making up these columns. And in the entire movie, we are going to talk about the SM. Now notice that 6 plus 6 is 12, and that is the important part. Let's first talk about what happens when we don't add up to the 12. Let's say for example I make this as a 16 and now this doesn't add up 12, so no matter whatever the device you are using, it is always going to stack upon each other. And notice there is a small spacing around here. You can get rid of this spacing with the help of CSS, but right now let's focus on the Bootstrap. Let's resolve our mistake and save this so that we get things back into action. Now we can have this 6 and 6, but feel free to change it out onto your own. You can choose any of the layouts which we have talked in the image in the last movie. Now what if I do something like this? If I copy this entire division, copy this and paste this division out here, and inside the row I'm going to paste it, save it. Now notice that this is not looking good. This is being stacked upon each other because 6, 6 and 6. So we need to change it out. We can change it simply to 4, this one to 4 and this one to 4. Now if I save it, notice that these are being lying next to each other really perfectly. And this is the power of the Bootstrap and why most of the people like the Bootstrap. Just add the number to the 12 and all of the things are going to remain calm and safe. This is the one part that you should always be worried about. Now, although there are many conventions and all of these things lying around for the smaller ones, but the important part is all what I have told you. Now, you can make a lot of changes like in the background style and all of that. Now, let's do one more thing out here that is really again important. Now, what about if I want something different for the smaller device, something different for the larger device and all of that? Now, you can use multiple classes out here. You can use call-x and all of these parts, what we have got out here in the first file. Now, notice that we have got the XS for the small phones. So you can use multiples of them and depending on your screen. Now, one thing I forgot to show you is how the things looks on the smaller scale. Now right now it's a big scale. Let me shrink it a bit and you can see everything got stacked upon each other, and in this way it looks much nicer on the small screen. Now this is what we have done. Now I was talking about what about different views on the different phones. Like on the small phones I want the 4 stacked structure, on the larger device I want the 3 stacked structure. Now you can use multiple classes out here. No need to just use one class. You can use multiple classes, but let's leave that part to the end of this particular section where I'll talk about them. Now I can show you all these structures like 112, 16 and all of that in just one movie, but it's going to be simply a waste of time. Instead, what I'll do at the end of the course, I'll show you how you can create multiple layouts and multiple web pages with the help of these columns, different columns. And that can be our good project work. So let's talk about them. Now, one thing for your assignment as well. Now, what you have to do, you have to create different templates from this particular web page only and make sure that you use all of these layouts what we have discussed in the first file. So simply the smaller one will have all of these ones. Create all of these 12s, create this particular which we have already done, create this 4 and 8, create this 6 and 6, and create this 12. Now just for the sake of completion, let me show you how to create this 4 and 8. That's really again simple, and that's the reason why I love the Bootstrap. Now what I can do, I can get rid of this particular division, and what I can do is this is 4, so what I have to make sure that this is, yes, perfectly right, 8. I'll save this and notice, voila, things have been done, and my favorite reason to choose the Bootstrap. So make sure that you create separate web pages for all of these layout for the SM. SM stands for the smaller. In the next movie, we'll be doing the same thing for the larger ones.